I'm a truck driver. Been an international lorry driver for 12 years, travelling all over Europe. You work early or late in the morning. You do it to suit yourself. You are very much like your own boss, whether you're employed or not. I can't put my finger on it. I love it, yeah.
I must loading here, unloading in Holland. Maybe I'm home tonight, maybe I'm not. I don't know.
He's always ask when I'm on the phone, when you're going home, or coming home. Are you home tonight? No, not tonight. Oh, okay.
You see the children only in weekends. When they are small, it's difficult. It's a hard job then. Hey, have a nice day. Cheers. Bye.
How do you think it changed?
Always hurry, more aggressive. You've been seen many accidents 1 second away and you hit someone.
My own truck that I owned, I had a camera fitted, although mine was left-hand drive, on a blind spot down here, so I had a camera on the dashboard. That was good also. I missed that really, it was good. It'd be nice to have a camera built into your offside.
In this time it's busy. 3 o'clock till 6, 7 o'clock it's busy.
It's no good, it's no good. Porque son muchas horas en la cola.
¿Cuántas horas?
Pues llevamos ya casi 4 horas. The break in the harbor, ¿no? ¿Quieres naranjas? Ve cogiendo.
I drive most of all alone. I go to eat, to shower, call my wife, and then I watch a movie, and then 11 o'clock to sleep. This is my work here, and that is private.
But yeah, you have a problem making with diesel being pinched, yeah. I have, you know, 200-300 litres, you know, it doesn't seem a lot, but it's £200-300 back at home, you know. That's your profit gone on a week's work, really. You know, it's the longer distance, it's nice. It's going your Spanish, your Italian runs, 2 easy days driving, catch the ferry home. It's quite relaxing. I can't particularly see me doing anything else apart from international journeys, really.
Schlaft man gut?
Ja.
Was mit die Matratze?
Zo hè, is goed hè?
So maybe another driver said it's a good mattress, but I don't like it. So now I have a new one, and now it's good.
The next destination would be Italy, Spain, Germany, France. You know, it's a way of life, enjoyable, yeah.